Welcome you to Home Class TV. I name myself Alewi. This is the three-dimensional shapes part 2. Here we're talking about cuboid. Like we said, cuboid is a solid shape, like we explained to us in our previous class. Cuboid as a shape, as a solid shape, is formed from the combination of three pairs of rectangles. Three pairs of rectangles that you can see on the board. Three pairs, different pairs of what? Rectangle. This is a pair, this is a pair, this is another pair of rectangle. You can see a typical example of a cube on the board, like our box carton we use at home. It is combined by what? Three different pairs of what? Of a rectangle. Now, from that, now let's take the volume of a cuboid. The volume of a cuboid. Now, the volume of a cuboid, as we wrote on the board, like I said in last class, that volumes of solid shape generally are given as base area of the solid shape, times what? Times the perpendicular height of the shape. I always want us to know the proofs behind each formula, so that we as a student can understand the formula other than just cramming the formula. Now, the base area here for this is a rectangle. The base area of a cuboid, is a what? Is a rectangle. Obtain area of a cuboid of a rectangle, rectangle here, times what? Times the perpendicular height. Now, the area of rectangle, as we all know, is length times what? Length times breadth. So this is the height here, and that is why the volume of a cube is what? Is length times breadth times height. L times B times H. That is the volume of a cuboid. Now, let's take the total surface area of a cuboid. For us to construct a cuboid, like I said, we have three different pairs of a rectangle. Now, if we look at this now, the first pair of rectangle, we need to combine the areas of each of it. The first pair of rectangle here is length and what? It has length and breadth. Length times breadth is what? Is LB. The length times breadth here too is what? LB. For this, we have the length and the height. That's length times height. This place we have length times height. For this, we have what? We have the breadth times height. B times height. Also breadth times height. Also breadth times height. Now, while this is this now, we say that the combination of these shapes as LB plus LB plus BH plus BH, this and this, plus LH plus LH will give us what? So the total surface area now will be LB plus LB now. LB plus LB now will be what? Will be 2LB. BH plus BH will also give you what? 2BH. While LH plus LH will give you what? 2LH. So you can see that what the total surface area now of a cuboid now. If you factorize this, then what is common here is what? The common factor here is 2. The highest common factor is 2. So we say this will be LB plus BH plus LH. And this gives what? The total surface area of a cuboid. 2 into brackets LB plus LH plus BH. Yes, that's the total surface area of a cuboid. Now, let's see the formula of finding the diagonal of a cuboid. Diagonal of a cuboid diagonal of a cuboid